In the heart of Boulder, Colorado, we find Emma Thompson, whose passion for baking takes a new turn following a personal health scare. Embracing the keto lifestyle, Emma channels her love for bread into a quest to bake the perfect keto loaf. Despite encountering initial setbacks, her determination never falters. Follow Emma as she ventures beyond mere recipes, weaving her baking into a larger narrative of health and wellness, proving that the journey to mastery is about much more than flour and yeast, it's about enriching lives. Inside her cozy Boulder kitchen, Emma Thompson transforms into a culinary alchemist, meticulously blending unconventional ingredients like almond and coconut flours with ground flaxseed. Days blend into nights as she pursues the elusive perfect recipe. Then, a breakthrough moment, Emma pulls from her oven not just a loaf of bread, but a revelation. It's more than bread, it's a triumph of taste and health, perfectly keto compliant. The joy and pride emanating from Emma are palpable, a testament to her dedication finally bearing fruit, embodying the very essence of mastery in every slice. With each loaf, Emma Thompson becomes a rising star. Her delightful keto creations capture the hearts and palates, sparking conversations across social media. As she shares her recipes and baking tips, Emma becomes a cherished icon within the keto community. Soon, she takes her mission beyond the digital realm, appearing at local health and wellness fairs, where she doesn't just share her bread, but also her journey, inspiring many. Emma's story resonates, turning her passion into a beacon for others seeking a healthy, fulfilling lifestyle woven through the love of good food. As Emma Thompson's fame ascends, so too do the hurdles. The demand for her keto bread skyrockets, pushing the limits of her quaint Boulder kitchen. But challenges don't end with logistics. Skepticism from traditional bakers tests her resolve. Yet, Emma remains undeterred. Through innovative recipes and a relentless dedication to her health-conscious ethos, she not only meets these challenges but rises above them, solidifying her reputation as a trailblazer in the keto baking world. Emma's journey mirrors the tenacity needed to change perceptions and lead a movement, even when the waters are rough. With a twinkle in her eye, Emma Thompson reminisces about her transformative journey from a baking enthusiast to a keto mastermind. Her next chapter is bright, as she dreams of opening a quaint bakery and cafe in Boulder, where her keto-friendly delights can be savored by more. As she sketches out plans, Emma shares a heartfelt reflection on the power of persistence and passion. She encourages everyone to tread their unique paths with courage and joy, no matter the obstacles. Emma's story isn't just about bread, it's about the recipes we write for our own lives.